You see looks very ugly, right? There's not a whole lot that you're seeing going on there. Anybody that has actually really mined gold, and I'm not talking about playing in a stream and picking out a nugget, but actually worked gold under the mountain and gotten real amounts of money, will tell you that gold ore is ugly. It is, the uglier it is, the better your gold content is going to be. This rock is a perfect example. I'm switching hands because this rock is seriously heavy. It's probably 20 pounds-ish. And you look at it, you say, what is this? It's just a bunch of dark, blah. I don't understand what that is. Well, if you look, you can see there is some banding. This is granite actually that's running a little bit underneath it, and you get a tiny little bit of quartz there. But if you look through it, this rock is loaded, like you can see on this side, with tiny little bits of gold and again some pyrites. Does anybody want to question again that pyrite and gold run together? Because look it up. Anybody that tells you that pyrite is worthless is just dumb and they don't know what they're talking about. Alright, this is your mother lode stuff that you love to find when you're out in the field. You've got your quartz running along and you have a nice band of minerals running along right between it. What's in this band of minerals? Well, let's take a look. Oh, look at that. There's gold in that band. Gold and quartz often will be right side by side with each other. So if you find a dark band of mineralization, which mineralization is going to be iron, copper, anything like that, that is running by quartz, you're going to find gold with it, almost guaranteed. I won't make a 100% guarantee, but 99.99. If you bring me a sample of something that looks like this and there's no gold in it, I will buy you a pitcher of beer. This piece is, again, typical of your ugly gold ore. It doesn't look very pretty. It's a bunch of dark colors, it's a bunch of red, and it's a bunch of gold. Imagine that, weird. Again, gold ore, when you find it in a gold mine, is going to be ugly. This is the good stuff. We don't want little nuggets, we want the big mother lode gold. What else I'm seeing in here is I've got pyrites again, there's quartz in here, and oh look, there's big chunks of gold that are running in veins inside that quartz. That's the good stuff. This sample is typical of your four metals type of deposits. So in that gold ore, we're going to find quite a few things. You can see this was part of a vein that ran down this way, but I've got some copper running up here. I've got some of their host rock, which looks like a limestone. I've got some more of the copper coming down, and then I've got